Right, this is a very important grade 11 lesson, and we'll be looking at we'll be looking at exponential equations. So it's a very, very important lesson. Uh, we need to be able to understand what exactly is happening. Right, we need to know that an exponential equation, it's an equation where the unknown is in the exponent. Yeah, your unknown must be in the exponent. For example, when I say 2 to the power x equals to 8. This is an exponential equation precisely because our unknown is x and it's in the exponent, as we can see there. So look here, let's start starting by this simple one. It implies that as you solve it, it now means 2 to the power x equals to, you rewrite it 2 is the product of prime factors, which means it will be 2 to the power 3. That's our 8. Therefore, which now implies that so since the bases are the same, which means the exponents must be the same. So your x will be equals to 3. Good. Now again, going forward, another example, we have 3 multiplied by 2 to the power x is equals to 96. Again, yes, it's an exponent because we have 2 to the power x, which is an exponent. Therefore, as we proceed, it means we divide both sides by 3. Therefore, which now means it will be 2 to the power x is equals to 3 into 96. We get 32. And rewriting 32 as a product of prime factors, it means it will be 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power 5. Therefore, which now means here our x is equals to 5. So importantly, when the bases are the same, it means the exponents are the same. Right, looking at a bit of higher order examples, let's look at a question like, say, 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power x plus 4. So which now means here we must, on 2 to the power x plus 1, we must be able to break it down, which means it will be, actually we can even start by taking 2 to the power x to the left hand side. Therefore it will be 2 to the power x plus 1 minus 2 to the power x is equals to 4. Therefore now here, which now means here it will be 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 1, which is 2 minus 2 to the power x is equals to 4. Going further, it therefore implies that the factorizing, can you see 2 to the power x becomes common, therefore it will be 2 to the power x, open bracket, 2 minus 1 is equals to 4, which therefore means in this case 2 to the 2 minus 1 is 1, therefore that is 2 to the power x is equals to 4, which now means here my 2 to the power x rather equals to 2 to the power 2, therefore which now means our x is equals to 2 since the bases are the same. So that's what we need to do. Again, let's keep on proceed by means of good examples. Let me give you another example again. 3, if I give you 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 3 to the power x minus 1 24 square root of 3. I'm sure you can see that, which now means here it will be now equals to, again we must be able to break down our things immediately, which means it will be 3 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power 1 minus 3 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power minus 1 is equals to 24 square root of x. Sorry, 24 square root of 3 rather. 24 square root of 3, which now means here it will be now equals to, here we can even factorize our 3 to the power x, open bracket, this becomes 3 to the power 1, which is 3, minus 3 to the power minus 1 over 3, this one, to the power minus 1, it becomes 1 over 3, using our laws of exponents, which is equals to 24 root 3. Good. Which now implies that there it will be 3 to the power x multiplied by, subtracting the 3 to the power 3 minus 1 over 3, it gives us 8 over 3 is equals to 24 root 3. I think it's clear there. Now we can now proceed by means of dividing both sides here by 8 over 3, and again there we divide by 8 over 3, which is now to say here it will be now equals to, here this cancels, therefore it means 3 to the power x is equals to 24 root x divided by 8 over 3. Let's check from the calculator. Straight away we get 9 root 3. Then the moment you have 9 root 3, we can even rewrite it as, it means 3 to 3, 3 to the power x is equals to 9 root 3. It means it will be 3 squared, yes, multiplied by 3 to the power half. Yes, this is 9. 3 squared is 9. 3 to the power half is square root of 3. Therefore, which means 3 to the power x is equals to 3 to the power 2 plus half. You add the exponents. Therefore, which means 3 to the power x equals to 3 to the power 2 plus half. It gives you 5 over 2. Therefore, the bases are the same. Therefore, the exponents must be the same, which means your x must be equals to 5 over 2. Good. Again, importantly, I think let's proceed again by making one more example, just to understand exactly how we do these things. Again, it's very important that you must be able to break down your things, especially to move from here to get to this point. That is the most important stage. Let me give you another example, just so that our understanding is good. For example, if I give you 3 power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 3 to the power x over 8 and 3 over 8. Right, good. So you can see that we even have an improper fraction here, a mixed fraction rather. Then let's proceed again. We break down our things, which means it will be 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power x over 8 is equals to the mixed fraction 1 and 3 over 8. It gives us exactly 11 over 8. Now, going forward, I'm sure we can see on the left hand side 3 to the power x is a common factor, which means here I'll be left with 1 plus here I'll be left with a 3 plus again here it will be 1 over 8 close bracket is equals to 11 over 8. Good. Then from there we now add up our things, which now means here it will be now implies that 3 to the power x multiplied by 1 plus 3 plus 1 over 8, it gives us exactly 33 over 8 is equals to 11 over 8. Then from there as we proceed, we divide both sides by 33 over 8 and again here by 33 over 8, which now means here it will be equals to 3 to the power x is equals to 11 over 8 divided by 33 over 8. It gives us exactly um, it gives us exactly 1 over 3, which now therefore means in this case it will be 3 to the power x equal 1 over 3 is 3 to the power minus 1. Our bases are the same again, which means here in this case the exponents must be the same. Therefore here it will be equals to, it implies that x is equals to minus 1. Good. So this work on exponential equations, it just requires a lot of practice. Thank you so much. You must also watch the next videos when we'll be looking at exponential equations that makes up quadratic equations. Thank you. God bless you.